What is goody? I'll be telling you how to get the very special board. I think it has every developer signed on it. So I'm gonna teach you how to get this, okay? It's pretty easy, really. Teach you how to get it right now. So what you need to do is, you can get this, but it's not gonna help you very much. Here, special board, a special board for special players. What you're gonna need is a backpack, also with a. I'm gonna put this in here if you want, but I choose to take it out if I were you. So I'm gonna grab a thing in here and we're gonna go. Now, most people. So you know the new shadow monsters. They will attack you, but you can actually kill them with light. You just have to see them back. Come on, controller. I don't think it should be that far. But they almost one-tap you, so you gotta be careful of what you're around the shadow monster. Do not hit those. Those will take half of your health. They want you. Like if you actually hit them perfectly, they won't. You get strong. I think right in the comments down below, the snowboard or the skis are good. I want to actually hear your honest opinion. I'll check the comments. We're off. Okay, you don't want to go extreme. Most people would know where the put that on your back, grab your light. You want to turn it on. It doesn't matter what light. You just want to keep it. You're gonna try to move forward. Okay, we got it. So this is the key. I'm gonna drop this one. This is the key. And you use it to open the vault. So you get in there, be careful where you go. And you can't grab these, but now you can. How ordinary. This key. Damn, not that big, Jesus. I like the music it produces though. It's actually really fire. It'll use this to open the key. Ah! Yeah. I gotta get more of these in my one with Saturdays, because you can get these in your Saturdays. I really like it though. Sorry that you can't what should we call it? I wonder what they're gonna do after the estimate. I really hope they Okay, bro, I'm not that big. Stop being rude. Why do you want me to drop it though? Why do you want me to drop? I love this. This is the in-game the loading screen music. Oh, I will. Give me a sec. There we go. Oh, go. And you go in here. I want to grab out this again. There we go. Go around. And you're going to... Why is my hand glitching, man? The controller's out here, man. can't really get you through all of it. I lost my phone, but I can't let you get through all of it. But once you get over here, you're gonna go all the way down, and then you're gonna get this. So you get through there. Be careful. I will warn you, if you don't have enough momentum on this is what you have to do. You have to jump that. But if you don't have enough momentum, like I do right now, then I will definitely not make it. You see, look, and you fall into here, it's just gonna put you back at the start. So I hope you guys enjoyed. They also brought back OG map. It's down all the way over there. I'll do a second part on that. But I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.